This is the shocking truth about the banana. Ah, the banana. Tell me, friends, does it get more classic than this? Though estimated to have first grown in parts of Asia, today the banana is cultivated in tropical regions across the world. As one of mankind's most popular grown crops, it is consumed to the tune of 110 billion fruits per year. In addition to being wildly popular, so popular in fact that the United States would commit human rights atrocities throughout South America just to establish an import pipeline, the banana possesses a multitude of important health benefits. For starters, these nanners are packed with potassium, a mineral and electrolyte which carries a small electric charge. Potassium sends an electric signal to nerve cells that then fire to keep the heart beating and muscles contracting. It also helps to keep a healthy balance of water in your cells. By helping to expel excess sodium from the body, potassium can help to decrease blood pressure. Now that's all well and good, you might be saying, but that banana can't cure my depression, can it? Good news, sad internet user. It can. Bananas contain high amounts of the amino acid tryptophan, which the body converts into mood-elevating serotonin and sleep-enhancing melatonin. Just be careful not to eat too many. The banana's tryptophan content has been shown to cause drowsiness. So the next time you sit down to eat 40 to 50 of these bad boys, just remember not to operate any heavy machinery until you've had yourself a nap. And there you have it, folks. If you prefer your fruit to wear its own set of tiny clothes, look no further than the banana. This has been the shocking truth about the banana. From all of us here at Dherbs, good night.